Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor on location and with a sore throat, demonstrating how to correctly blow your pool lines. When September hits here in the East, the PhD is busy getting calls from customers asking me to close their pool. Since many of my subscribers are do-it-yourselfers, I'll show you the correct way to blow your pool lines. In this demonstration, our compressor is on, the multi-port valve is turned to filter, and the skimmer, pool sweep, and one of the return lines are plugged. I always leave the pool drain open until the very end so the air has somewhere to go in an emergency and it will not damage your pool system. As the return lines bubble as shown, I plug the return lines with a number 4 winterizing plug. Then I wait a few seconds, allowing the pressure to build. Then I release the plug again. When I feel a burst of air instead of water, I know the lines are free of any water and I move on to the next line. Once all the lines are blown and plugged, pour the winter chemicals in and apply the cover. Another pool closing in the books.
Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.